Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file. They're really wanting to know the settings, the tracing, but I'm a little bit confused there. But so I got them to send me a file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a duplicate of that file so it remains the same for them. But then I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to hit P, and you can see the white background. I think Corel has an easier time. And why have it trace all this white? So with it selected, that way the other one won't go away, we can crop this and we'll crop out just what we need and hit crop. By it being selected, you can see your other piece is still there. And by making it small, I think Corel just does a better job. Now I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to convert it to a bitmap because it's black and white already. I'm going to go to trace bitmap, outline trace, clip art. Surprisingly, it traced the text really good, better than most. I mean, the text is good. It doesn't have to be reproduced. It's perfect. But then you've got this group together. We need to get rid of the white background. There's several ways to do it, but the easiest way is just go group and ungroup and just click on the white center parts of the letter. That's where Corel could not trace inside. And then let's get rid of our little yellow box and then Control G to group this. Then you can make it back to whatever size you think it needs to be. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.